Hey guys, I'm James with Flaman's, and today I'm here to give you a demonstration on how to change out screens in your bench cleaner. So the tools that you're gonna need is just a 1/2-inch flat wrench and the hook that is provided upon purchase of the bench cleaner. So the first step is gonna be removing the back panel that provides access to your screen bank. From there, you're gonna take out your screen banks, all 3 of them, set them to the side. Once your screen bank's removed, it gives you access to your ball racks and your screens. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I didn't put all your ball racks in here, but normally you'll have your 6 or 9 ball racks, depending on model of machine. From there, your screen sits on top of your ball rack. You're gonna take your hook, you're gonna pull out your old screen, pull it right back. You're gonna leave your ball racks in. Your ball racks always stay in, no matter what. So something to keep in mind when putting your screen into your machine is one side will be smooth, one side has a little bit of a lip. So once your old screen's removed, putting your new screen in is the exact same thing, just in reverse. So make sure your lip is towards the front of the machine where your clean grain comes out, slides on top of your ball rack, overlaps with each screen, pushed in, it'll be flush with your ball rack. So if it's hung back a little bit, then you know your screen's on place and it's probably your lip is catching on your other screen. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of a push and to get it over top of that other screen, but they should be sitting flush. From there, once that's flush, you can take your screen banks, you can put them back in. Once all of our screen banks are back into place, there is a tab. This tab right here is pushed up against your ball rack, which that actually keeps your ball racks in place. So keeps it from bouncing. So you're just gonna wanna have that hand tight. Close it off, hand tight on all of your knobs, and that's everything. For more information, contact your local Flaman dealer and we'll be glad to help.